In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. This is really useful if you want your images to behave like normal data in a spreadsheet, so they move and resize with the cells, and your sheet stays neat and organized. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own sheet as we go. First, open your Google Sheet and decide exactly where you want the image to go. Click once on the cell where you want that image to live. It's important to select the cell before inserting the image, so Google Sheets knows where to place it. Now, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, you'll see two main image options: Image in Cell and Image over Cells. For this tutorial, make sure you choose Image in Cell. This option keeps the image contained inside the cell, so it will resize automatically if you adjust the row height or column width. When you click Image in Cell, a window will pop up with several ways to add your image. You can upload a file from your computer, use a web URL, grab something from Google Drive, search the web, or even use your camera if it's supported. Pick the method that works best for you. For example, if your image is saved on your computer, click Upload, then Browse, and select the file. Once you've chosen the image, confirm your selection. Google Sheets will then insert the image directly into the cell you selected earlier. You'll see that the image is automatically scaled to fit within the cell's boundaries. If the image looks too small or too cramped, you can adjust the cell size. Hover your mouse over the line between column letters at the top or between row numbers on the left. When you see the resize cursor, click and drag to make the column wider or the row taller. The image will scale with the cell, keeping everything tidy. If you need to move the image to a different cell, you can cut and paste the entire cell, or simply reinsert the image into the new cell the same way. If you want to remove it, select the cell and press Delete, and the image will disappear. And that's all you need to insert images inside cells in Google Sheets in a clean, controlled way.